So today's question is, what is the difference between seed and potting compost, and when and why should I use each one? So we have two samples here. If we bring the camera in, we can have a look. So this is our seed compost here, and we can see that that's really fine consistency. There's no lumps and bumps there, and that's so that new roots of newly germinated seeds can get down into the compost nice and easily. And then also a seed compost tends to have lower nutrients, and that's because a very high nutrient compost can actually prevent seeds from germinating. So that's our very best option. That's what maybe the professional growers would use. And then this pile here then is an ordinary potting compost. And you can see that it has a coarser consistency. It's a little bit more lumpy there. And to be honest though, as long as it's reasonably friable and easy to work like that, that's going to be fine for most seeds. Now, if you have a compost that is a little bit more lumpy than that and has more sort of larger bits in it, and that might be maybe from a compost you've made yourself in the garden, you can use a soil sieve just to sieve it out. And it's obvious really, but we're just putting in a handful of compost and then rubbing our hands over it, and obviously that's going to take out any big lumps and bumps. So that's the difference. You can use a seed or a potting compost, but really the one thing you need to remember is it wants to be that nice fine consistency. So that's it. We'll see you back in the Quick Crop Garden next time.